Welcome back. Now that we have our final document, it's a good idea that we output the document so we can run it through search. So what we're going to do here is we're going to output the document to Microsoft Word. And we're then going to click Enter. And we're going to allow ChatGPT to now output the document. Now that we have our document, we're now going to upload this document to a window that has search. So we're going to save the document to our hard drive. We're going to open a new chat. We're going to use a different model. We're going to upload our document. We're going to ask ChatGPT to make changes, re-output the document into a new document, and let us know what changes were made. We are then going to ask ChatGPT to make sure the document does not hallucinate, to go over the document and make changes, to list out each change that was made, and then to re-output the new document corrected with changes. And we're going to specify that we want it in Microsoft Word. And we're then going to click Enter. So what we're asking ChatGPT to do is to basically provide us an update of the document based on information and search so that our document is not a hallucinated document with out-of-date information or made-up information. And ChatGPT has produced a new document. And we now have an updated document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.